What's up guys? Kamusta kayo dyan? Ito kami sa opisina. Say hi Caleb.
Hi!
There you go. Happy Friday sa lahat, especially sa mga kids natin kasi mamaya mag-trick or treating sila, no? So again, konting ingat lang. Make sure na alam nyo yung mga sa left and right ng mga sasakyan na parating, right? Para safety palagi. So lately guys, I wanna share this with you. Medyo maraming nare-refuse for postgrad work permit. Ang nakikita namin is, una, hindi kompleto yung documents na ina-upload nila. So, kulang-kulang. So, syempre, pag na-refuse ka, then you have to stop working, then you have to apply for restoration, and then apply for a proper permit ulit. So, sayang yung oras na hinintay nyo. Perfect example, let's say, kunyari, hindi mo na-attach yung English exam. Kung hindi mo siya na-attach yung English exam, so, refuse siya, di ba? Kasi kulang, right? So it's your responsibility as the applicant to upload those documents and make sure na you go and you follow the checklist, right? Another thing na nakita namin, we all know naman na when you apply for postgrad work permit, dapat meron kayong English exam tapos may specific CLB na kailangan ma-meet. Common na nakita namin na nag-take na ng exam pero hindi na meet yung proper CLB, hoping na makonsider ni immigration yon. So, kung hindi siya na-meet yung CLB na yon, technically it will be refused, right? Again, it is your responsibility to make sure na you know the guidelines properly kasi yun, sayang yung oras kasi andun na sana, right? So, yun. At the same time, sa lahat ng mga pag-graduates ngayon, congratulations guys. Nalampasan nyo ito, yung 1 year or 2 year na program nyo. And here comes the postgrad work permit application. So if you're a student right now na nagpaplano na mag-apply for postgrad work permit, let us know. Send us a private message so we can guide you properly. At the same time, itong flowchart sa likod ko, let me know if you want to get a copy para ma-share namin sa inyo. Para as early as now, before you graduate, alam nyo na yung kailangan nyo gawin, alam nyo na kung paano planuhin, and then maging successful yung application nyo. So again, happy Friday dito from Dream Big Radang B. Tsaka pakiusap na lang guys, follow one of our pages, Knock Knock Who's There. Sa lahat ng mga gusto bumili ng bahay, let us know, we can help you with that because my wife is a realtor na rin. So sa lahat, enjoy Halloween, see ya, and then trick or treat.